Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to disable LinkedIn networked advertising. This is a useful feature if you want more control over how LinkedIn uses your data for ads that appear outside of the platform. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving to the next step, as you'll need access to your account settings. After you've logged in successfully, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where all the important account configurations live, including privacy controls and advertising preferences. Now you'll be taken to the Settings page. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a vertical menu with different categories. Scroll through this menu until you find Advertising Data. Click on it. This section is specifically designed to give you control over how LinkedIn collects and uses your information for advertising purposes, both on and off the platform. Once you're in the Advertising Data section, look for the area labeled Off LinkedIn Data. This is where LinkedIn manages how your data is used for ads that appear on other websites and apps outside of LinkedIn itself. It's an important privacy setting that many users overlook. Under the Off LinkedIn Data section, you'll see an option that says Ads Off LinkedIn. Click on this option to expand it. This will reveal the settings related to LinkedIn's networked advertising, which allows the platform to show you targeted ads based on your activity, even when you're browsing other sites. You'll now see a toggle button on your screen. This toggle controls whether LinkedIn can use your data for ads outside of its platform. Simply click the toggle to turn it off. By disabling this, you're opting out of LinkedIn's networked advertising, which means LinkedIn won't be able to track your activity on partner sites for ad targeting purposes. And that's it. You've successfully disabled LinkedIn networked advertising, giving you more privacy and control over how your data is used. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.